city is entering a new era of transportation.
New York has always been about change, but this part of town was stuck in the past.
All right, what is up? I haven't done vlogs in a very long time. I mean, I always do vlogs, like I make vlogs, but I don't post them. This might be a first of 2025. So today is about going to this pretty spectacular experience of Vanderbilt. It's one of the highest buildings in New York, plus there's a lot that can be done inside. I don't know the details, but it's pretty stunning. So I'm gonna try and document everything and show you how it looks. So that's Chrysler building. Yeah. That is the Summit One Vanderbilt, and this is me. This is the main man.
I thought you were talking to me, and I'm like, yep. Chrysler building, yeah.
He doesn't like to be on camera, but we will show you how it looks from the top.
Easier.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Go ahead this way.
Just go through.
Thank you. How are you feeling?
Nervous as H,
And
eager to curse at you when I'm in that elevator and I'm screaming.
okay.
I'm that scared of heights. What is that called? Something phobia.
Sorry.
New York City is entering a new era of transportation.
New York has always been about change, but this part of town was stuck in the past. When a city stops transforming, the city dies. We felt this was a building that had to be built to spark a revival.
We took the leap. One Vanderbilt was our opportunity to put our mark on the skyline.
Bring it in.
This was a building built by New Yorkers for New Yorkers. There was nothing that was going to stop us. One Vanderbilt will forever be ingrained in the fabric of New York City.
This building broke boundaries, redefining what is possible.
We want to create a space that will be unparalleled.
In a way, we'll look back on this period. And the building that will be most looked at and examined will be One Vanderbilt.
All right, that was just an introduction to the building. Now we're headed to the main on some accessories and take some photos, and then we're going to be headed up.
Thank you. Did you call that?
Yeah. You have to put some shoe covers on in order to enter the building. Pro tip: book your tickets a day before, otherwise you're gonna miss out.
Scan that there.
Look at the front camera. Hold still for the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Captain.
dark in here. Okay.
There's a statement by him up there. So just on that simple math.
Welcome to Summit. Please start the journey to your right.
It's definitely the fastest elevator I've been on. That was fast. Really? Holy shit. Holy. Wow. Not look down. This is insane. If you're watching this video and you're in New York, you gotta do this. Trust me, it's worth the money, it's worth the hype. It's amazing. I timed it right before sunset. As you can see, the sun just set, and that's Empire State. And this is China. It's a bit dark, but oh my god. Infinity balloons. Okay, going to the floor number 2nd. There's a rule that you cannot go back to the previous floor, so you can only go up. So just make note of that. To do that, to sit on that and take a picture with it, to looking down, you gotta wait for at least 20 minutes. Just an FYI. Sit down on that. You have 30 seconds or 45 seconds to do that, and you gotta be in the line. This is the line. Line is long.
Brisbane, please. Please do not touch the screen. Do not touch the screen.
Oh my god, this is where you are going to appear. Really? How do you know? Is this the end? These are the 3 floors. This is the actual one. That's the final one. Summit. Ab aayega asli maza. Summit is the one where you see the top, but it is packed.
This is so good.
Holy moly. What? It's cold here though, but we're actually out.
It's freezing. So
Okay, sum up your
so
experience
crazy.
for the
It was
camera.
unbelievable. Thank you, Roselli. Thank you for, I've lived here all my life. I've never been to this. Mind you, it's not that old here. But freezing outside, no? So I had to come in.
Cold, yep.
But amazing.
Okay, that's it. There's Summit Shop. So a shop where you can buy all sorts of stuff. It's a merch shop. It was a pretty nice experience, I'm not gonna lie. So if you're in New York or you're planning to come, you should definitely do this. It's worth it. It's worth the hype, worth the price. See you in the next one.